Solving trigonometric equations. Question 1. Give general solution to equation sin x equals to 1. So in this series what I'm trying to do is I've taken up 3 questions for general solutions so that you understand how to write a general solution when I have trigonometric equation in sin x, cosine x or tan x. So those are my first 3 questions. After that I'll have questions where the domain will be restricted. And then you'll also see equations when I have functions like sine 2x, sine 3x, how the restricted domain also changes. So there are a variety of questions to come which will give you fairly good idea of how to solve trigonometric equations. And I hope these very few questions will give you vast knowledge and confidence in solving trigonometric equations. So let's take the very first one. It is already done for you. It says, well, sine x equals to 1. Perfect. And if we draw our sine graph, which is kind of like this, then we know it is 1 only at one point, and that is this point where pi by 2, right? And those of you who are doing it in degrees, it is 90 degrees, correct? Now, so that is the solution in 0 to 2 pi domain. But if we say general, then next wave will be pi by 2 plus 2 pi, because 2 pi is the time period for sine function, correct? So let us say our solutions are going to be, we have well x equals to pi by 2, right? Next time it will be plus 2 pi, right? Then again plus 2 pi. So in general we can say n times 2 pi, right? Or 2 pi n, right? So every time multiples of 2 pi's will get added on to this, right? And therefore we can write this solution as pi by 2 plus 2n pi. Is that okay? Where n belongs to set of integers. So this is one way of writing a solution. I have also seen this question in multiple choice. So there they kind of give in a different formula. So I'll try to derive that formula here for you. So what they do is, you can simplify this. If I take common denominator of 2, then I get pi plus 4n pi. Do you see that? Now I can take pi by 2 common, right? So I'm taking pi by 2 common, and then I get here 1 plus 4n, right? So in multiple choice, that could be one of the solution. Or this could be written as pi by 2 4n plus 1, right? So that could be a solution, right? Where n belongs to set of integers. So remember, I can write this in many different ways. The same solution I can write it as pi by 2 plus 2n pi. I can write this as pi by 2 within bracket 1 plus 4n, or pi by 2 plus 4n plus 1, right? Some people also write that you can change this variable to anything, right? It could be written as pi by 2 times 4k plus 1, where k belongs to set of integers. And that's the value of x. And I could write my answer as this, correct? So there are many different ways to write the same answer. The idea here is that these simple questions, they come in multiple choice. And yet there are so many different choices. You should know how to pick the right answer. And that's what I'm trying to teach you. And I'll try to do my best to explain you this in these few questions. Thank you.